Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys the hot plays I'm looking at on next week. Give you guys a stock in particular that I'm talking about that's likely ready to explode. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As we take a look at the futures market right now, the S&P 500 futures are a little changed after back-to-back losing weeks. Now let's go look at some of the success stories in VIP and how well they've been doing since we, stop just giving you a fish to eat for the day and start teaching you to fish and giving you the whole structure of things. So if you was in VIP and ain't in it no more, you missing out. Barello, shout out to my guy. I'm well over six figures since I started following you. I don't post the very large games, blah blah. He just goes in the show like, he ain't here to flex. He don't post the crazy games. You know what I'm saying? And he just, want to stay disciplined, consistent, exactly what he should be doing. That's insane. That's not small at all. So anyways, also you want to follow the Instagram, the BHayshow _ on the IG. Let's look at a few more and get up out of here. What a week. I'm talking about not just one day, not just lucky this day, lucky the next day. No, full week, next week, all month, all year. We going crazy. 42% off meta puts. Thanks, Hayes. What it is, 8-0 streak. Not one to win, not two win, not three, not four, not five, not six, but 8 in a row. Come on now, talk to me. 3,500. Shout out to my boy Lewis on the play. Thanks, big bro. Let me get out the way. What that is? My boy again, 9,000 in a day. I will play right here again. We ain't, I ain't gonna hold you too long. Let's get into it. Cause I think you get it, but this to play. Cause I know a lot of y'all just want to play. You don't want to know nothing else. This to play, Coinbase. I called this out before. If you go look at the previous video when I called coin, what happened the next day? Coin was on a decline for 3-4 months, 120 days. And after I mentioned it, the next day, pew! That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm just talking. I'm not overconfident in the market. The market will humble you. I promote risk management first, protecting myself. My motto, aim small, miss small. A lot of people make way more than me, but they will, if you don't get smart, you will be humbled. The market will humble you, and you'll come back down to reality. Aiming small, missing small. So that way, you ain't really being humble, because a small loss, you can easily get that back in the same day or the next day. But when you try to be too aggressive, thinking you got it figured out, thinking you bigger than the program, that's when the market just boom, just steal off on you. You done lost a whole month worth of progress, whole half a year worth of progress. Now you trying to get out the rabbit hole and forcing trades, and you're doing too much. Only thing you gotta do is aim small, miss small. Let this thing be a lifelong thing where you can extract money from daily, weekly, monthly without having a crazy headache, so you can sleep good at night. But if you don't want to do that, you want to treat it like a gambling machine instead of a business, be my guest. But me, I'm going to always tell you the right way to play it. Next, I'll be looking at Meta. I'll also be looking at Tesla. Tesla is definitely coming down to that demand zone. Remember, I will post levels, the exact key levels in VIP. If you want to join VIP, go to the home page, use the YouTube app, click join, and go to exclusive tier. It's going to give you access to every single level that I call out for the SPY and 3 momentum plays. Usually those plays will look like Tesla, Meta, Coin, or whatever play in rotation. But usually I'm watching the same stocks. For the ones why it's always the same stocks, that's why you're not consistent, because you all over the place. You don't got no structure. You watching this stock one day, that stock the next day. All throughout the year, you watching 365 different stocks. You don't understand the movement, the behavior, the characteristics of no stock. Stocks have behavior. They have characteristics about them. They all, once you start to learn that and stuff, you'll be like, oh, I see why you watch the same stock. Exactly. I also be watching SPY. As we know on Mondays, what it is, I'm not here to say, oh, this is going to happen or that's going to happen. I really don't care. I let Mondays fill themselves out. Well, not a Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday. You get why I'm thinking it's Monday, because we had an off day on yesterday, right? But anyways, Tuesday, same thing to be treated as a Monday. It's the fresh start of the week for the market. So I let the market decide. I let the market come to me, not me going to the market. So same thing you want to do with plays and opportunities. You don't go run into the opportunity. The opportunity is supposed to come to you. That's when you're going to be more consistent in the market. But anyways, I will be watching this hard tomorrow along with Tesla and Meta and SPY. I do think it's more likely for the market to bounce on tomorrow, even if it doesn't hold, see some type of bounce. Even if it bounces and quickly give gains back, I do think a bounce is coming in. But like I said, my opinion don't matter. Don't take that and run with it, because it really don't matter. I'm all about real-time price action, going off of what's happening in real time right in front of me. I react to the market. I react after, not before. Reacting before is being caught up in what you think is going to happen and sticking to it, and while the market is giving you an opposite reaction to what you thought, and you caught up in the mix, messed up. Also, I know a lot of people be like, oh, I can't get in and out of plays because of PDT. I'm going to mention this again. If you want to be able to day trade, get in and out of stocks without having that PDT rule stopping you, turn your account into a cash account. Go to settings, scroll down, go to investments, or look around in the settings until you see cash account. I can't really tell you exactly how to do it unless I'm looking at it while I'm telling you. But go to settings, scroll down to investments or whatever, and then go to cash account. Just switch your stuff into a cash account. You don't need to be in a margin anyway. If you're in a margin account or you're using leverage, you probably sizing too much. You playing the game the wrong way anyway. So anyways, you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the BA Show. Feel free to join VIP. I love y'all. We out. God bless you. We go.